If you want to step up your presentations and selling one to many, and you want to deliver exceptional presentations, one of the best ways to do it is create an alter ego. An alter ego is a person, the better version of you. It's the person that you step into when you step on stage. So when you step on stage and deliver the presentation, create an alter ego that is more of who you are. Because as a presenter, it's important that you're more of who you are, where a lot of people hold back. And by creating an alter ego, it will free you to be more of that person. I'm reminded of Beyoncé, amazing singer, shy, timid, right? Listened to her in an interview one time with Oprah. Oprah says, well, how do you do this? And how do you perform that way? You get on stage and you crush it. She says, that's not me, honey, that's Sasha Fierce. And Sasha Fierce is my alter ego, and I step into it. And by creating an alter ego, it allows you to eliminate fear and be more of who you are.